Number theory for 5th class. Square and rectangular numbers. These are square numbers. This is the first square number, the second, the third and the fourth. A square number is a number that can be put and divided into a square. That may sound confusing, but it really means that you should have at least the same amount of rows as you have columns. Like here, I have 1 row and 1 column, 2 rows and 2 columns, 3 rows and 3 columns, 4 rows and 4 columns, and so on and so forth. And it goes on and on and on. So an easy way of thinking of this is there's 1 row and 1 column, 2 rows and 2 columns, which means it's just to find the first square number, 1 times 1, the second square number, 2 times 2, the third square number, 3 times 3, the fourth square number, 4 times 4, and you do that for every single square number. For rectangular numbers, it's slightly different and are not to be confused with square numbers. This is the first, the second, and the third, and it goes on and on and on. If you haven't already spotted a pattern, there is always 1 more column than there is a row. Like this. I have 1 row, but I have 2 columns. I have 2 rows, but 3 columns. 3 rows and 4 columns. And then you can do 5 columns and 4 rows. And it goes on and on and on. But what's an easy way of doing that? Well, this is how you do it. 1 times 2, 2 times 3, 3 times 4, 4 times 5, and then it goes 5 times 6, 6 times 7, 7 times 8, 8 times 9, 9 times 10, and 10 times 11, and as far as you want to go. That's the easy way. And the way you see it logically is 2 columns by 3 rows. 2 times 3. 3 columns with 4. So I've got 4 columns and 3 rows. That's how you do rectangular numbers and square numbers.